Hello, my name is Vital Castellan. My Web 2.0 tool is Edulastic. I first want to apologize for the volume. My computer doesn't have a microphone, so I borrowed a headset from school. So hopefully you can hear me throughout this and you don't have to blast your volume at home. I also apologize if there's any extra loud background noise. Like I said, I'm not really sure why my computer doesn't have a microphone and can't really control how loud or quiet most things are. But with that aside, Edulastic. This is an online tool for assessing students' understanding of Common Core curriculum that was presented to my cohort and I at a professional development we attended last week. So here's their main page. Here's the option to sign up for a teacher account. Also over here you'll notice there is a school and district account, obviously with a little bit more features that would be accessible through a paid option. They have a short demo here that you can watch at your leisure to see how it works. But I'm going to tab over and show you what my account looks like that I've started working on this week. So here is my page. This is my main dashboard where all my classes are. I just imported my classes from Google Classroom, so if you're familiar with Google Classroom, it looks very similar in its layout. On the left-hand side here are the different tabs, the dashboard for all your classes, assessments for the assessments you started working on and creating. The question bank is kind of like their search tool. This is the source you would come to be able to research questions with specific grade level attachments, content areas, and then standards and the such as you see here listed. The library is a really cool feature that I really liked that I think and hope other teachers will love to use in their classroom. Oftentimes the hiccup with creating a formative assessment is figuring out a proper question set. I often blank and I find myself repeating questions or reverting to something really simple like vocabulary or a quick match. But here you have options to review assessments that have been shared and published from other teachers within your district. That is the really nice thing. There's also access to public ones, but you'll see here, like, these are all teachers within my school district, and if it's a public tool or source, obviously, there's a way to search the entire library. If you want specific things, then again, you would go back to the question bank and pull specific things that you're looking for that Edulastic already has within its repertoire. Reports is the next tab after library. This is where you would come to analyze your real-time data, to go over the standard-specific questions with your students, to see their understanding, to see any misconceptions that kids have. And then the last one will be managing your classes. For example, you're shifting semesters, so for me, I have a lot of kids switching classes or a lot of new kids enrolling, so this is where I would come to tweak and manipulate my student pool, and if I needed to share out the classroom code so that kids can re-enroll into the classroom. I'm going to go back into assessments. So I've only played around with this a little bit. I've created two major assessments, one on air masses and the other on weather and climate. Before I get into that, I want to go back to question bank because this is a really cool feature that I want to share with everyone. So you'll notice I typed in the topic air mass. I can switch the grade level to my grade level, which is the 8th grade. I'll switch back to all step standards versus just the NGSS or the Maryland standards. And then the one thing that I really like here is the question types. So oftentimes, like I said, I revert back to multiple choice because it's easy and it's a click. But they have options such as expression evaluator if you are doing math, or if there's a numeric response you want kids to provide. There's options such as classifying. You could do a drag and drop feature, a drawing response, essay type, fraction editor, graphing. There's a lot. And this is the part that I liked a lot because I hate being boring. But this offers a wide range of options, and the fact that all the question types are pulled from the Common Core standards, which you'll notice here in green, is really nice. And then you'll notice here in the orange, it'll tell you the specific question type that the kids are going to get. So for this particular question, they have an image to analyze, but then their question option is going to be multiple choice. Whereas when you come here, this is going to be labeling the images, so it'll be a drop-down feature. So they'll have a picture, and then they'll, next to each part that they are to label, they'll drop down and select the correct response. There's fill in the blanks here, matching a table, matching the following. So this is really nice because I hate just simple multiple choice or a quick matching. I like the variety that it offers. So if you see that these are questions that you like, I just love how simple this is. You can come all the way to the right and just click on the add button. And then it starts collecting it in your library. So then once you've picked on a certain set of questions, you'll notice that the first couple of boxes that'll come up will be the ones that you selected. So this will be your assessment popped up right here with the generic image. This one is one that I've actually been working on, but I believe the second tab is questions that I just started randomly clicking on. So here I only have one. So I guess I started on one and must have exited out and didn't keep going. But I, again, label the fronts on the weather map below. So this would be labeling an image for the kids. It's not just a simple matching or multiple choice type question. So I'll go back into my library and I'll click on the weather and climate assessment that I started working on here. So we'll click on preview because I'm not ready to push it out to the kids. But here they have an image to analyze, and then they have a short multiple choice response option. Here they're labeling the parts of the diagram, more multiple choice. I tried to keep it short for the kids. It's only 7 questions. I just wanted to play around with it and see what kind of questions they offered. But again, in the library, you'll also see all the other assessments that other teachers and Edulastic has pre-created. So that's really nice. Here you have photosynthesis, respiration, carbon dioxide, or the carbon cycle, and ecosystems. This is like a really in-depth type of assessment. Let's do that. So yeah, there's 23 questions. There's a graph, there's a short reading. It's really cool, and it's different. It's more than just your traditional paper pencil. I've shifted to using Google Forms, and I think this is 10 times better than Google Forms. It's quick, it's easy, it's no fuss. It doesn't really require much research about it. You come in, you play around with it. It's really simple. I like the simplicity of it because the biggest thing is, do I have the time to sit and make a 15, 20 question assessment? But here I can come and click on the questions that pertain and create one in minutes. And then when I'm ready to push it out, I could always, like I said, when you click on it, you can go back and say assign, and it'll push it out to your kids in Google Classroom if that's the format that you share things with them. They'll take it, they'll assess. Once it's done, you'll come here to reports, and you can review the data in a matter of minutes. There's no, oh, I have to take it home, grade it, bring it back the next day, and then we can go over it and see where the misconceptions are. You have that response, that feedback right there. You don't have to wait till the next day or the next couple of days, so you have all classes periods graded and gathered. It's really simple. I highly encourage everyone to try, at least manipulate some of the questions. It's nice that when you go back into the library or the question bank, you have ways to filter by grade level. You have stuff as young as kindergarten for your topic. So if I, let's say, want to go back and do just water cycle. There's a bunch of stuff in here already for water cycle. I mean, it looks like some of the same questions, but the standards still apply. Obviously, you know, the skill set, the difficulty of knowledge, or depth of knowledge is at a 2. This is a skill concept. Might be a little bit harder for a kindergartner, but if you're just going over the parts and labeling, then this will be really nice and simple to do as an intro. I suggest that you try. Try it, check it out, see how it is that it works for you. The subjects don't have to be science. I'm a science teacher, but obviously you could click on all subjects. You could leave it empty and just do a blank search to see what all comes up. And there's there's a lot of stuff that comes up. So I'll take out the 8th grade filter, leave it at kindergarten, all subjects, all standards, and just search for everything and anything. And here you have select the sentence that uses common and proper nouns, or these are some English skill sets. Choose the statement that best uses pronouns. So yeah, more English stuff. Here it looks like how many beach balls are there, so this is in math. Pablo Picasso is one of the fill-in-the-blank painters in the 1900s, so a little bit of history and world history tied into that. It's really cool. Try it out, check it out. I'll definitely share back once I've tested it with my students. But this is Edulastic. It's simple, it's easy, it's free. The best thing that a teacher could ask for. And it's really cool. I just really like the real-time data feature of it. I want to be able to give my kids feedback instantly, and it's hard to do when you have to take papers home to grade. So try it out and let me know. Thank you.